When you create a Google site, you have the option of creating unlimited number of pages. There are 4 different types of pages which you can create, and although this may seem like a small number, there's a lot of different things that you can do within these 4-page template types. So I'm in a Google site here, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new page by clicking the button up at the top, and then you'll see the 4 options. So I have a basic page, an announcement page, a file cabinet, and a list. I'll go ahead and show you a basic web page first. And so you type your page name into the box, and then you have the options of putting it at the top level, which basically is in terms of hierarchy, the top level of your site, or you can put it underneath home. So by clicking on home, you would see all of the child pages underneath, or you can choose a different location. At any time you can change this by going in and editing the individual settings for a page. I'm going to go ahead and put it at the top level, say create page, and a blank one will open. To edit this page, you'll need to go back up to the toolbar and click on edit. So here you can see the standard format. By going up to layout in the top toolbar, I have various options here. Everything from a simple 1-column page that you see here to more complicated page with left and right sidebars and multiple header and footers. So depending on the information that you're going to put in, you can choose one of these various layouts. So that's those are the settings for a basic page. The standard feature for attachments and comments is always turned on, which is down at the bottom. To change that, if you do not wish to have comments or attachments, you need to save the page and then go to More Actions and edit page settings right here. And at this point, you can turn off the comments and attachments. Now that we've looked at the basic web page type, we can go ahead and look at the final 3 types of pages that you can create in Google Sites: announcements, file cabinet, and lists. The announcements page is similar to a blog, and I'll show you one that's already made here. This type of page is good when information is updated regularly, and each new post can be placed on the page, and the newest post is always at the top. So this ensures that the most recent information is at the top of the page. You don't have to worry about reordering it. It also has an RSS feed, which allows people to subscribe to this page and receive updates via their email or RSS reader. The next type of page type is a file cabinet, and this enables you to upload documents which others can view and download. One of the neat things about doing this in Google Sites is that it actually keeps a record of previous versions of a file. So if you are making changes to a file regularly and then re-uploading them, you can do that in Google Sites, and it will keep track of all of the different file versions that you have. This is good for information like PDFs that doesn't change. If you are updating information regularly, you might be better served by using Google Docs, as you will always have the most recent copy of the file. This also contains an RSS feed that enables people to follow the changes that are made. The final type of page that you can create in Google Sites is a spreadsheet, basically, or a list. And it's nice because you can sort the columns, so you can quickly find information that you need. The headers are customizable. This is set up to be a to-do list. You could do an address book or a shopping list, pretty much anything you want, just by changing the header columns. So this would be the 4th file or page type that you could create a list. So Google Sites has a lot of flexibility, enables you to create a lot of different types of pages, and I think that you will find a page that will feed pretty much all of your needs. You can certainly modify them, and you can also combine them together. You can create a page which has kind of a blog feel on one column and a to-do list on another column. For example, take the home page here for this site. It actually has many different things. So on the right side you've got your blog messages. These are the most recent updates. On the left side you've got some static content that's always there. Then below that you've got your to-do list. So this is a quick glimpse at everything that you can see.